Okay, I thought I'd make another clip of rendering fat here. I wanted to show you what this looks like after you have rendered the fat in the pork. Basically what I've done is I've taken the pork and I just slice it up and cut it into small or small medium pieces, and then I go ahead and I put it in a nice pan that a friend of mine gave me, and I basically render it. I'm basically frying it until it gets rendered, and then they become like cracklings. So when they're done, we have something that looks like this. Oops. I wanted to show you that real quick. So this is, and all this fat is going to go into my pork tamales. So I've kind of revised. I mean, if I get my pork fat, or in my chile verde, not all of it, but I'm going to be using this in the chile verde, and it's so delicious. I took a couple of them already. Oh, you gotta take care of your ticker though. This is in moderation, folks, in moderation. And yes, this is how you make your cracklings or your chicharrones, and this is how you render your pork fat. So you don't throw your fat away. So I appreciate when I get a good slab of pork fat. Okay, there you have it.